Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, we are walking you through how to quickly set up IPTV Smarters Pro on your Amazon Fire TV stick. IPTV Smarters Pro is one of the top media players available for streaming media. Because it is not found inside the standard Amazon App Store, you have to sideload it. You will use a handy tool called Downloader to do this. Before starting, make sure your Fire Stick is connected to a stable network. Check that your device has at least 100 megabytes of free storage space. Have your subscription details ready from your IPTV provider. You will need your Xtreme Codes API login or an M3U playlist link. Let us get straight into the process. Step 1 is to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. Open the settings gear icon from the home screen. Choose My Fire TV and then select About. Highlight your Fire TV name and press the action button 7 times fast. A small pop-up will confirm that you are now a developer. Hit the back button once and go into Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps and toggle the switch to On. Step 2 is to grab the Downloader application. Go back to your main menu and select the Find option. Search for Downloader using the keyboard. Pick the orange icon from the search results. Click Download to save and install it on your device. Launch Downloader and click Allow when asked for media permissions. Step 3 is to download and install IPTV Smarters Pro. Click the address bar in Downloader to open the keyboard. Type in the download code 78522, or you can type out https://www.iptvsmarters.com/smarters.apk. Click Go and wait for the file download to complete. Select Install on the window that pops up. Hit Delete right after installing to remove the setup file and free up space. Step 4 is to organize and open the application. Hold down the Home button on your remote until the shortcuts appear. Select the app screen from the menu options. Scroll down to IPTV Smarters Pro and hit the menu button on your remote. Choose Move to Front so it shows up on your home screen list. Launch the app and select TV Layout Mode. Now you can log in using your account details. If you use Xtreme Codes API, enter your assigned username, password, and server URL. This is the recommended setup because it automatically syncs your channel guide, movies, and live streams. If you have an M3U URL link, enter that link directly to import your list. Step 5 is to optimize performance and protect your connection. Use a trusted VPN on your Fire Stick to prevent playback throttling by your internet provider. If the app ever feels slow, clear the app data cache. To do this, open Settings and go to Applications. Click Manage Installed Applications and pick IPTV Smarters Pro. Select Clear Cache to keep things running fast. If your channel guide ever fails to display, head into the app settings and hit Refresh EPG. That completes our step-by-step installation guide. If this guide was helpful, please hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more tutorials. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues or have questions.